Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best solar panels for pop-up campers. Whether you're an off-grid adventurer or someone who just wants to keep their batteries topped off while camping, these options will cover all your needs. We'll break down their features, performance, and which one is the best fit for you. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This compact and efficient solar panel is perfect for small-scale battery maintenance. With a high conversion efficiency of up to 30%, it's designed to charge and maintain 12-volt batteries across a variety of setups, including RVs, boats, and even gate openers. The panel features a rugged build with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass that can withstand harsh weather conditions, like snow, hail, and strong winds. Performance-wise, the Solperk excels in trickle charging. Its upgraded 8A Smart Charge controller optimizes charging efficiency by up to 30% compared to standard controllers, all while protecting your batteries from overcharging and voltage spikes. The adjustable 360-degree mounting bracket makes it easy to position the panel for maximum sunlight exposure, and it's super simple to install with its plug-and-play cable connections. However, with only 20 watts of power, this panel is better suited for maintaining batteries rather than powering energy-intensive devices. It's lightweight and portable, but its lower wattage limits its versatility. If you're looking for a reliable and durable trickle charger for light use, this is a great option. Pros include its build quality and ease of installation, while its low power output may be a drawback for some users. Next up at number 4 is the Dokyo 150-watt 18V Portable Solar Panel Kit. This foldable solar panel offers an impressive 150 watt of power, making it a great choice for medium-sized camping setups or RV trips. Weighing only 9 pounds and folding down to a slim 1.1 inches, it's easy to store and transport. The panel also includes a 9.85-foot cable for flexible placement and a 10A charge controller to protect your batteries against overcharging and short circuits. The high-efficiency monocrystalline cells ensure optimal power generation, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. This kit is compatible with a wide range of 12V batteries, including AGM and Life EPO4, and can also charge portable power stations. The inclusion of USB outputs makes it versatile for charging smaller devices like phones and tablets directly. On the downside, while the Dokyo is lightweight and portable for its wattage, it lacks the ruggedness of some of its competitors. The polyester material isn't as durable as glass-coated panels, so extra care is needed during handling. It's ideal for campers who prioritize portability and higher power output, but may not be the best choice for those needing a more weather-resistant option. Pros include its lightweight design and powerful output, while cons are its less durable build and reliance on external brackets for mounting. Coming in at number 3 is the Zhao PW 100-watt portable solar panel with solar angle guide. With its 23.5% conversion efficiency and IP67 waterproof rating, this panel is built for durability and performance. It's coated with a weather-resistant ETFE material, making it ideal for outdoor adventures in unpredictable conditions. The foldable design, magnetic handle, and lightweight build, just 9.48 pounds, make it incredibly portable. One standout feature is the versatile output options. The included 10-foot 4-in-1 solar cable offers multiple connector types, including XT60, Anderson, and USB-C, allowing you to power everything from portable stations to smaller devices like smartphones and laptops. The smart charging controller ensures optimal efficiency and protects against overvoltage and short circuits. While this panel is a solid all-around performer, its 100-watt output may not be sufficient for larger setups. Additionally, the controller isn't waterproof, which means you'll need to keep it protected during wet conditions. This panel is perfect for weekend campers and those seeking a portable, reliable solution. Pros include its high efficiency and portability, while cons are its limited wattage for larger setups and non-waterproof controller. Our runner-up is the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel. Renogy is a well-known name in the solar industry, and this panel lives up to the brand's reputation for quality. It features a foldable suitcase design with a heavy-duty canvas protective case, making it both portable and rugged. The 22% efficiency rating ensures reliable performance, even in low light conditions. And the 20A waterproof charge controller provides excellent battery protection. This panel is compatible with multiple battery types, including AGM and lithium. And the plug-and-play setup makes installation a breeze. The adjustable kickstand allows for optimal sunlight capture, while the alligator clip connectors ensure secure and reliable battery connections. At 26.6 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but the robust build quality justifies the weight. The biggest drawback is its price point, which may be higher than other 100-watt panels on the market. However, if you're looking for a durable, high-performance option with exceptional battery safety features, this is a fantastic choice. Pros include its rugged build and advanced charge controller, while cons are its heavier weight and higher cost. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Zoop W 200-watt portable solar panel for power station. This is the ultimate choice for campers who need top-tier performance with a hefty 200-watt output. Featuring A+ monocrystalline solar cells with a 23.5% conversion rate, this panel delivers unmatched efficiency. It's also equipped with a 4-in-1 solar cable for compatibility with most power stations. And the smart charging technology ensures safe and efficient power delivery. The durable ETFE coating makes this panel IP67 waterproof and resistant to harsh weather conditions, perfect for outdoor use. It folds down compactly and features a magnetic handle for portability. Though at nearly 19 pounds, it's best suited for stationary setups rather than long hikes. The 4 kickstands are easy to set up and allow for optimal sunlight exposure. While this panel is a powerhouse, it's worth noting that some power stations may have input limits that prevent you from utilizing the full 200-watt output. It's ideal for RV trips, extended camping, and those who want a reliable off-grid power solution. Pros include its high output and rugged durability, while cons are its heavier weight and potential compatibility limitations with smaller power stations. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you choose the right solar panel for your pop-up camper. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which solar panel you're going with, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll see you in the next video.